So as usual, I already have my foundation done, and first I'm just taking this NYX liner and just going over my entire eyelid with that, and then just blending that out with a finger. This is just going to form the base for the eyeshadows I'm going to use. I'm also bringing that into the inner corner and under the eye just to brighten them up and make them appear larger. Then taking my NYX Ultimate palette and going into this pale purple shade, and I'm just putting that on the inner corners of my upper eyelid. Then taking a bright yellow and I'm just filling that out right on the very inner corner of my eye. Moving on to a bright pink shade, and I'm just packing this all over the entire eyelid. I want this to be really pigmented, especially around the centre. And then I'm just blending that out a little bit towards the edge. I'm also just bringing it down under the eye at the outer corner. And then just blending that out above the crease. Then with a darker purple shade, I'm just darkening up that outer V, just to add a little bit more dimension. Next, moving back to that pale purple shade, and I'm actually just going to be bringing this under the eye and down the cheek. So one of my inspirations for this part of this look was actually Kelly Eden, who is kind of like a real life Sailor Moon and one of my favourite YouTubers. In one of her tutorials she mentions that you absolutely can bring shadows down the face off of the eyelid, and I really wanted to experiment with that, so what better than a Sailor Moon look. I'm then moving on to a blush, and I'm bringing this down the cheeks and joining it to that pink shadow coming off the eye. And unusual for me, I'm actually putting this on the apples of my cheeks as well, rather than just the outer part of my face. And then drawing in that classic crescent moon symbol, and I just outlined this with a little bit of that NYX liner just to give myself a rough idea of where I was going to put it. And then I'm going in with yellow eyeshadow and then just darkening it up a little bit with some of the darker orange eyeshadow just to add a bit more dimension. I then added a little bit of gold shimmer just to the moon and to the inner corners. Moving on to the wing, I had done this in gold, but I decided to also do it in black, so you can kind of see a little bit of the gold underneath still. And then I'm just highlighting my nose, the centre of my eyes, under my eyes and my cheekbones, because to me Sailor Moon is a very glistening, glimmery, sparkly kind of girl, and I'm just further highlighting with a little bit of Diamond Crusher. Just moving on to putting on mascara, and then after that some false lashes. I have also applied 2 little gemstones just under my eye, but unfortunately I missed that on camera. And then that is it, that is the finished look.
Hey guys! My name is Tila Pustate and this is my Sailor Moon look. So this is the 4th look in my anime inspired eye makeup, general makeup series. And I really like how this one turned out. It is so different from the kind of makeup that I normally do because, you know, grungy goth looks, but this is so cute and kawaii and sparkly and glittery. Like, I could get used to channeling a little bit of Usagi in my day-to-day makeup routine. And the hair isn't even a joke. This is like the only style I know how to do while it's blonde. So I had a lot of fun making this and designing this one. I basically just wanted everything to be pink and sparkly. That's what comes to mind when I think of Sailor Moon. And I don't know, minus the little moon on the forehead, I would actually really consider wearing something like this out. So this brings us to the halfway point in my little series of makeup looks. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I definitely am. Doing all these is just super fun. So that is it for today's video, and I hope to see you for tomorrow's. Please don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this, and see if you can guess what any of the remaining anime that have inspired my makeup in the next 3 videos is going to be. I'd like to see if any of you are going to get it right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!